Hello everyone! If you of course want to see the best sides of the city, you of course need to go to the old town, which is called the ancient Riga or the old Riga. And in order to do so, you obviously have to take the public transport. So right now we're located in the tram station. You could probably see it on the right side. Yeah, for you it should be the right side. And yeah, now we'll very easily describe to you how to use it. So all you have to do is check the shadow, which is very easily and very nicely written there. And you have to understand that you have to be on the Gertrude Sala or the Gertrude Street. We will of course attach the screenshot, which will demonstrate to you how to get from the apartment to this tram station. All you have to know is that you have to get out from the, you have to take it in on the Gertrudes, and then you go out on the Nacionālās Opera or National Opera Station. Of course, what else you have to know about that is how to actually pay for your travel. So for that you need a cheap card called Yetalon, and you can very easily buy it inside of the tram, or if you see the grocery store called Narvesen, or again in the supermarkets, very often they sell them. But yeah, you don't have to worry much because you can very easily buy them in the tram station. Yeah, and doesn't matter which tram you take from the station. Every tram which goes from the station, number 1, number 14, number 6, all of them go directly to the old town. That's it.